Peace and love, everyone. Peace and love. Sending you all much love and many, many hugs. This video, I'm going to keep short and sweet. I want to put a disclaimer in front of it. Whatever I state in this video, which is from what you've seen from the title, it's been 18 years on my journey, okay? If you decide not to watch the video from beginning to end and ask questions, they will be deleted. I'm telling you now in this disclaimer what I will and will not discuss. I'm about to discuss everything that I feel necessary to discuss. And yes, it's very serious to me that you pay attention and listen, and anything derogatory, of course, would be deleted. You know, I'm a no-nonsense person. I do not, I don't deal with that type of bull. Let's just keep it like that, okay? I'm going to tell you things about my journey and the things that's been going on in the past couple months. And I'm trying to keep it very short and simple. That way everybody can watch the whole video and you all can have your questions answered, so you won't be asking me more questions in the whatchamacallit. If you want to send me messages, if you want to leave comments that are uplifting, then that's wonderful. Anything else will be deleted immediately. I already have it in my tags, certain keywords that will not go through. Also, you will have to stay to the end of the video. And I'm using a new microphone, you all. Let me know how it sounds. And hopefully you like the background. It's new, okay? But no, the disclaimer is, do not ask me any questions as far as anything that I do not discuss in this video. Period. 100% they will not be answered. I don't owe anybody that, okay? However, you know, if there are questions or if there's things that I discuss in this video, I'm giving it to you just 100% as much as I desire to give it to you, okay? I hope you all like the thumbnail. I really love that picture. I really, really, really love the picture. And that was taken, what? I did that about a few weeks ago, and I posted it on Facebook, and I haven't been back on social media since then. Let's just say September was a terrible month. Let's just say actually May 29th through September, October. Let's just say this whole year has been wicked. Okay? It has been. Okay, let's get into it. But again, there will not be any questions answered at whatever I state in this video. That's it. That's all. Sorry to those that love me. Keep loving me. I will keep putting out videos. Trust and believe that. I had to take some time out for myself because of my health. Period. And I'm not going to get off into that 100% because that's a whole nother video. To those who have been sending me messages asking how I'm doing, thank you. I think I've been a little open and honest with you all who've come directly to me and asked me those questions. And to some people I may not have, and it was just to protect you from the truth, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna try to keep this video under 10 minutes, but let me tell you what I'm rocking. And this is not sponsored. And then I also want to shout a couple people out. But I went on a date the other day and I decided I want to get some more perfume. Just something, not that I needed any, but this right here, I'm rocking it right now because I felt like this is a special occasion. 18 years, right? So I'm wearing some Versace Cristal Noir. And when I say it smells sexy, oh my God, now I got to get a bigger bottle. It's not going to last. Well, I'm not going on that many dates, but sometimes I might just do this for myself. But I do have a lot of other perfume and stuff that I love. Let me give a special shout out to Dadz, Lord's Life High. Hold on, let me make sure it's the same thing on, and 1111 pops up on my phone. Let me make sure that his channel is the same name on both. Hold on 1 second, you all. Give me the Dadz Lord High, and Dadz is DADZLORDHIGH. The Dadz Lord. Dad. Okay, I was not trying to do that. The Dadz Lord High. We just got through communicating. I reached out to him because I know our situations. Okay, this is getting too bright. I know our situations are kind of similar, you know, and he's been rocking for a while, and we've been communicating for a while. Also, I'm going to give a shout out to James. Make sure you all check out his Instagram. Make sure you check him out here. If you don't already know his YouTube channel, I'm going to put it in the box below. Also, James Fields. I contacted you earlier, and I know I told you I hadn't told anybody else on social media. However, I hadn't at that time. I had to reach out to somebody, though. I needed to talk to somebody, and I talked to him. So what I'm about to disclose to you all, hopefully you all will still love and rock with me. And if not, I mean, there's several other channels that you can go to. Let's say a couple months ago, I had to get an MRI done, right? I also had to go see a neurologist. Had to see a neurologist because I was having headaches out of this world. I mean, I'm used to having headaches, but these were like, I was like, oh, it's sinus time, you know, that's what's going on, right? Yeah, but it didn't stop. Got to the point where the reason why I got an MRI was because this shoulder, I thought for sure I had messed up my shoulder because of picking up furniture. And those who don't know, yes, I moved, I relocated. It's in the videos before this. It's all I talked all, well, I didn't talk all about it, but I talked enough about it for you all to know that yes, I had to relocate. So if you saw the last thumbnails or the last videos, you already know. Anyway, what was I going to say? Hopefully, again, you can hear me clearly. So anyway, I've been getting checked out by several doctors. And if you know from like last year, year before, really, year before, I would say, this is nothing new as far as like me getting blood work done, getting, I mean, that stuff I stay on top of. One thing for certain, two things for sure, my health is very important to me. I have a beautiful, beautiful, darling 14-year-old that's in the room, sleep sick right now. So please send some love and light to her. She never gets sick. And I've just been around, just taking care of her. Lucky is still around. He'll be in some more videos soon. But to get to the point, I know you all have always wanted to see my hair washed, right? You always want to see how did I do my water rinses. There's videos behind that I've done. I talk all about my journey from beginning to end. I just thought that this one is different and is unique because of, yes, the health issues that have been stifling and the reason why I haven't been on YouTube. So, since everybody has wanted to see me take a shower, do my hair, see what I do, how do I water rinse only, well, I do have a bigger, now I was able to put a bigger, what is it called? The real big round, I don't know what it is. It's a shower head. I usually don't take showers unless I'm washing my hair anyway. But anyway, I have the waterfall. That's what I have. And I love it. And I needed it for my back and my shoulders and everything. Well, let's just say you all, I'm out of pain. No, I don't have to take, I did have to take some medication because of the pain, because it wouldn't stop. And I had to take care of my child. However, I'm not on it right now. Okay. I'm still trying to go 1000% the natural way. But baby, when that pain hit, it hit. Last 15 seconds. Now you know it's going to be a little bit longer than that. But anyway, so no, I did not take any pictures. No, I don't have any. No, I have nothing to show you. I'm not going to say what I did with it. I'm not going to say how I did it. I'm not going to go into that. Just know that it was something that was necessary. And again, those who rock with me, and those who don't. And I'm cool with that. I have over 300 and some videos for you to check out, for you to peruse. I'm going to continue on this journey 100%. This is a different video because I'm not just like, oh, look at my hair, look at my hair, look at my hair. No, I'm talking about my health. I'm talking about my health and my hair and what my health was like, you know, because of my hair. And I've already given you the facts. Back problem, top of my vertebrae. I knew when I started walking over, kind of hump, and maybe it's a possibility that you can see a little bit. And I work out a lot. I do. So when I started having pain, I was like, you know, maybe I'm working out too much. You know, maybe that's it. But when I started slouching over like that, and my daughter was like, Mom, what happened to head up, chest out, shoulders back? I looked at myself and I was just like, you're right. You're right. And again, after talking to many doctors, not many, it was 3 and a possible, okay, but 3 for sure. Different ones, two neurologists. One that was actually the reason why I went to get the MRI for my shoulder. Again, I thought I was picking up a bed, part of a bed, and I messed up my shoulder, but that wasn't the fact. So, without further ado, this is how my hair looks after 18 years. After washing my hair, water rinsing my hair, this is where we're at. I'm not going to talk about anything else besides the fact that I was in immense pain. I'm not going to talk about 4C, 3C, whatever. If it's not 36C, I don't know nothing about it. Because that's what there you go. Don't ask. I'm not answering. I don't know. Just know that I'm in a good place. My body feels better. To those that love me, to those that have reached out to me, thank you. I love you all. To those who continue to rock with me, I appreciate you. To those who been wanting to see this forever and ever and ever, and you're happy because of not so much that I'm not in pain, but because of the circumstances. Okay. I know there's going to be some hate. But I know there's going to be an outpouring of love. And that's the only reason why I'm being as transparent. Because that's what I do. That's what I do. I give love and I receive love back. That's the way, right? That's what we do. So without further ado, this is what my hair looks like now. And this is water rinsed only. This is no product in my hair. This is nothing. So it's actually dry. Something that normally doesn't happen in a whole like few minutes. Usually takes like a whole day. So I have nothing in my hair, you all. This is it, and this is how I will be starting off my new journey. And it had nothing to do with anything outside of pain. It had nothing to do with a lover or anything like that, a date, none of that. It had everything to do with my body feeling horrible, the headaches, being here for my daughter. This is it. I went to the old salon that I worked in, and I had already spent time with my daughter and my best friend. My best friend supported me. Thank you, my baby daddy. That's my child's godfather. We were on video together, and my daughter stood next to me and held my hand. And I did it. And I went probably about 3-4 days, and then I went to the shop that I used to work at, and my guy, Kirk, shout out to you, Kirk, at Lines and Angles, the last salon I worked in and one of the first salons I worked in. And of course, I trusted him, and he did what he did. I probably will be keeping the sides and the back tapered down for those who want to see my hair. Again, do not ask me about no 3C, 4C, 4D, double D, whatever. This is it right here. This is 36C. That's all I got for you. Okay? I'm not answering those questions. I don't know. Why did I cut it? I just told you the whole video. The pain. The pain. Yes. It got intense. It got to the point where I could not take it. And that's it. I love you all. Thank you for watching the video. Kind comments only. Hate comments will be deleted. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to be reading the comments. Somebody else will be going over the comments for me and then telling me which comments they think I should answer. Okay? I have a very near and dear friend that will help me out with that. Now, if you want to continue on this journey with me, because it's starting fresh and you'll be here in the beginning, then rock on. Rock on. But I will tell you this, as of right now, to keep the weight off, and I noticed that, you know, with Dad's life, Dad's Lord life. Do I keep saying? I'm gonna put this stuff in the description box. My king from Jamaica, my family over in Jamaica, and not my king. He's married and have a beautiful family, father, mother, all that. James, I'll talk to you later. You know, I said I was gonna tell you first, but I know you was busy today. But to all you all, thank you so much for supporting my channel. It's been 11 years. I've always told you all I'm not my hair. I'm so much more than that. I'm so much more. And those who haven't seen me in a long time, you all know, yeah, my hair was down past my knees. But you also know I've lost a substantial amount of weight. That's one thing that I will be talking about in the next video. So if you're here for it, thumbs up. If you're ready to start this new journey with me, thumbs up. If not, again, there are many channels in which, you know, people talk about their journey. There's locticians, there's everybody. I'm still going to be Queen Natty Dread. I'm still going to call my channel that, or the Empress, Natty Dread, whatever. You know, to those of you that are in shock, trust me, I was in shock when I got the news about my brain, my head, the nerves. I was in shock too. But I love you all. Peace and blessings.